It's no accident you discovered this recording when you did. Your timing is perfect. You are about to experience a powerful transformation, if you allow it to happen. Listen to the following stream of statements as if it was your higher self speaking to you as you. So take a breath, get centered, and let's begin. I am ready for a new relationship with my life. I am ready to uncover and unleash my true self. I have an inner sense that something magnificent is seeking to emerge through me. Something wonderful is seeking to emerge as me. This impulse has been calling me for some time. This urge has been percolating below the surface. And now I am ready to fully acknowledge it. I am ready to nurture this instinct and release it into the world. I am ready to breathe life into my true calling. The time has come to let my authentic self shine. To fully show up. To live large. I love the feeling of knowing I am on the right path. That I am following my bliss. That I am being divinely led in the right direction. I allow this journey to unfold easily and gracefully. I am willing to take the proper actions to bring these impulses to life. Anything worth pursuing is worth devoting energy into. The ideal solutions will reveal themselves in good time. And I am willing to be patient as my perfect path unfolds. I have a sense of eagerness and expectation. It feels right. It feels good. I am so thankful that my inner guidance is taking me in this direction. I look for signs that I am on the right path. I keep my eyes open for opportunities. I expect miracles. Oh, this feels so good. I sense the positive energy all around me. I know the universe has my back. I know I am capable. I am ready. I am eager to see where this new road takes me. Yes, I am ready for a new relationship with my life. I am ready to unleash my true nature. And it feels good. I know this to my core. This is my truth. This is my new reality. This is my time. The time is now. I am ready to unleash my true potential. I am ready to live fully. I am ready to shine my light. And so it is. Take this message and embody it. Let it permeate your entire being. Let it be your new truth. This is Bob Baker of bobbakerinspiration.com. I believe in you. Now go have an amazing day. So long for now.